What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I want to give a big shout out to everybody. I hope you're all having a great Christmas weekend, and Monday be Christmas, so have a happy Christmas also, guys. And this is a special Christmas group ride, guys. I got you 2 group rides. We couldn't have a group ride on Friday night because of the storms that came through here. Like, it was just a washout. The whole weekend was a washout. So we had a ride on Tuesday night. We took it over to the food trucks over at Haulover. So I'm going to add that ride in with today's Christmas ride. So that'd be my Christmas gift to you guys. You guys get 2 rides tonight. So all right, so have fun watching this first ride, and then you'll get back to this one there. All right, guys. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is a special Tuesday night, guys. We are riding over to Haulover to go check out the food trucks. They do this big food truck events and bring all these fancy food trucks with fancy chefs. So we're gonna go check it out, meet up with the Hollywood guys over there. Also, we didn't get to ride on Friday night due to a big storm that came by. The storm rained all the way to like Sunday, so we couldn't do anything really. So that kind of like sucked, to be honest. But it is now 55 degrees. We are freezing because we are not used to that for us. I mean, anything under 70 degrees, guys, and we are shriveled up like raisins, to be honest, you know. We're going to Pine Tree here now. I think this is called Pine Tree. We're on the back street of Pine Tree. We're heading over the Haulover. It's about an 8-mile ride. We're not gonna go too fast because it is cold. The Magic Cycle there, he got it at the Expo, the Electrified Expo that came here. We picked it up there. That's pretty cool, nice little bike. We're gonna come up here on 41st Street now, and we're gonna make a right on 41st Street, and we're gonna go on to Collins Avenue, and we're gonna take Collins Avenue straight to Haulover. Hopefully the buildings will block some of this breeze and wind blowing in my face. I forgot my little mask. We're on Indian Creek Drive. This takes us into Collins Avenue. I wasn't gonna go to Collins Avenue because this just brings you right back over here at this light. Yeah, guys, this is gonna be a busy street. A lot of people out, especially for the holidays now. So we got tourists riding around. Got the people doing deliveries. This cold weather is probably gonna zap our batteries. I had our meetup like 5 or 6 miles further out, but I was afraid with the cold weather that we would like lose a lot of miles on our battery. So I shortened it so the ride would be only 8 miles. But man, we got the water right here to the left, so it is making it really windy and cold. These are all condominiums over here, guys. All down Collins this way is all condominiums. Ooh, now we're back over the hotels. A lot of these are hotels with some condos. Like you could rent them out for like the winter. All right, we're getting into now North Miami Beach. I would say North Miami Beach starts about, oh, that wind is blowing nice. I'm trying to go pretty chill, not to waste so much battery. All right, about 65th Street here, where you see 65th Street, this is where like North Miami Beach starts. So this is a lot older part of Miami Beach. Hasn't changed like South Beach. It has changed a little bit, but nothing hardcore. We still got the old like hotels, the old beach over here on the right. You got the old style stores, like how Washington Ave used to be. I like this section of town. If you're ever gonna move to Miami Beach, you wanna move to this side of town. BurgerFi. I haven't eaten there, but everybody tells me the burgers are pretty good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if BurgerFi is worth it trying. Snap crack, what the hell is that? North Miami Beach's version of like all the restaurants and all that. It's a cool place. We got a lot of good food over here. This burgers and shakes is worth coming. Look at the line coming out of there. That's how good that place is. All right, guys, we're entering Bell Harbor. This is a really nice part of the beach, real expensive part of the beach. You got the Bell Harbor shops over here, real expensive mall. Got a bunch of beautiful condominiums to the right of me over here. I mean, it's just a bunch of beautiful places to live around here. Oh, that hot air from the bus feels good. Oh. Okay, I lost everybody. What happened? Where'd they go? What happened?
My pedal was coming out.
Oh.
No, it's good. I think you angled it differently or something, right? I noticed the lights, but always something.
I know, I turned around, I was like, where, oh shit, where'd everybody go? One of the guy's pedals was falling off. Don't we have that happen to one of the guys not too long ago? I had to push him. Oh.
Man.
We gotta find the first tunnel and then cross. That ain't happening. The stairs though.
What?
Yeah. That's why we go to the other one. Can you go down the stairs? Can you take your bike down the stairs? Can you do it? You can.
I can do it.
No, we don't have to climb back up. Sorry, sorry. Yeah. Oh. That wasn't too bad. Hey, it's an adventure, right? All right, we just had to climb down 2 flights of stairs there. Okay. Yeah, that's a big drop. The food trucks are over there.
I knew he was gonna do it. Cares about his shit too much.
All right, guys, we're here at Hollover Park. It was a little bit of a mission to get in here. We had to walk down some stairs with the bikes because we totally missed the entrance. But we're gonna come and check out the food trucks. They're way over there. Shit. How do you get in? Alright guys, we made it to the food trucks. Let's check out the food here. Where? Well, let's go. We'll check it out. See if they're over there. Look at this little coffee thing here. Got lemonade, honey roasted corn. We got monster burgers.
Too many kids, as you can walk with us.
We're going right out.
No, I know, but there's too many kids. This one.
Alright guys, I'm making us walk the bike because there's a lot of kids here and they're afraid that we're going to run them over. But one of the better trucks over here on this side, so I'm just going to walk my bike and see what we're going to eat. Alright, we'll walk around and look around. Toasted, what is this? Toasted sandwiches.
Where are we eating?
Look this.
Cuban sandwich, Reuben sandwiches. You know, I had a burger for dinner, so I don't know if I'm gonna have a burger. Korean barbecue got me intrigued, guys. Hello.
¿Quiere alguna salsa arriba?
Sí. What do you got?
Picante, mayonesa de ajo o instant.
Mayonesa de ajo. I got a lot of sauce on it, guys. Whoop, whoop. A fork. Got some napkins. Thank you very much. Gracias. Little servilleta. Want to go find a table? Alright, guys, we just finished eating. We came out here. There's nowhere to charge, so we don't really ain't charging. But we just met up with the Hollywood guys. They just all rode out here from Hollywood. It's pretty cool. Let's check out some of their bikes that they got. These are all like some DIY builds. Oh, I'm gonna have to talk over the music. Soundtrack. This gray one over here is pretty cool. Look at this one, guys. Yeah, it's mad cool.
From Dave's shop.
Who?
Dave.
Oh, okay. That's from a shop.
My knees still work.
Looks huge though.
That thing looks like a bomb. Oscar saying it's a soldier. Oh my God.
Is it comfortable?
It's a battery.
Assuming it, I mean, you're just sitting there. I mean, yeah, no, I see the seat, right?
Is your bike? You ride this one?
No, that's left. She's a
Okay.
little white girl, blonde hair. I just got it today, so.
Oh, okay. That's comfy. That's cool looking.
Yeah.
Big.
You know, for me, like, I always like that clean bike. My other bikes are just, so you see them, you're like, there's nothing on it. I'm like,
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday night, and this is our Christmas special group ride, guys. We got a nice group that just left me behind because my chain just fell off. I have to change my chain. It's a little stretched out. So I'm trying to catch up to them. You see them all blinking up there? So I hope you're all having a great weekend, a great Christmas weekend. I hope Santa Claus is going to bring everybody what they want. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Adam. We do group rides, reviews, and take adventures on electric vehicles. Oh, that was loud. All right, guys, today is a beautiful night. It's about 75 degrees. We're heading into like downtown. We're gonna go hit Wynwood. We're gonna go hit Midtown, the Design District, and then head over to South Beach. So we're gonna go everywhere that I think that might have some Christmas lights and be all lit up tonight for us. Alright, guys, I got back in front. We're gonna go around some of the back streets here. Hop up to Wynwood. I mean, I don't expect a lot of people to be out tonight. Alright, we got a nice crew with us, guys. We got about 8 guys and 1 girl. We're all on e-bikes and one's on an electric skateboard. All right, this is a cool building. Everybody lives here and we get to ride underneath it. The whole lobby's right down here. Alright guys, we're in Wynwood. There's always a cool place to come to. Bunch of art, bunch of shops, bunch of restaurants. It's like the happening place to come to in Miami, besides South Beach and wherever else you want to go. It's not too busy though. Like I said, it's Christmas weekend. There's a lot of people out of town. Not too busy, guys, not too busy. Oh, look, they finished the wall. Remember that? That wall that we came to? The truck is gonna block it now. Guys, we're heading to Midtown now. Crossed a little bit to Wynwood. This is a little bit of Wynwood, but we're getting into now Miami. This is like North Miami, downtown. Alright guys, we're going to be going into Midtown. I expect Midtown to be a little bit more busier. People like to come here to shop. The restaurants here are a little bit nicer. They should have it lit up pretty nice. Trees all lit up. Alright guys, we're in the Design District here. You've seen this in our videos before, and if you haven't, this is where all the nice expensive stuff, Amari chain, did I just say that right? Amari exchange and all that. I just messed that up. You can see I don't buy him at all. So this is like all the Gucci and everything. We'll find the Gucci store for you. Oh look, they took out the Tesla truck. And we got that fancy parking lot. Cartier. Be careful, Joe. Just be careful, man. We're in no rush. We're in no rush, guys.
Now the cop's getting involved. Go. That's our break. Go.
Left. Alright guys. There was a broken down truck or something. The cop was blocking the road so that they could pick up the truck with the tow truck. That was a little chaotic trying to pass through there. Usually it's not that busy. We could just make a quick little left there. So now we're gonna head back to Wynwood and start heading our way back to South Beach because the place that we charge and eat at closes at 10. So by the time we get out there, it'll be 9 o'clock. All right, everybody, we just finished eating and charging. We just made it to South Beach. We're gonna head down to Ocean Drive, South Point, take our picture. We'll see what's going on. It's not been too busy today. Here comes all the water. Guys, it's starting to rain on me. I don't know how hard it's gonna get, but it looks like it wants to come down. I'm trying to get to a spot where we could hide in case it does come down.
Sorprendente, oggi lei hai dall'occulte, magnificamente colossal, extravagante y animal, la que sabe se aprovecha, a tu cucuyo le doy